Okay, I'm not being super fancy pants with this review, but I'm unboxing the Elgato FiLMMiC arm clamp thingy. So I don't have my whole setup right now, so I'm just recording this on my phone. I figured I'd share this out kind of as a part 2, following up from my first video in the cards. All right, here we go. This did take a little bit longer to deliver, so if you're in the market to get this, definitely put it in sooner than later because it took about 3 weeks to get here. Open it up. Here's the instructional manual, and then here is what it looks like in the box. I'm gonna go set it up. One of these taller tables I'm gonna be plugging it into. So you can see I've got some different stands now, so I'm gonna see what this looks like and where it's gonna be best placed. On opening the box, it looks like there are only 3 parts: the arm, the clamp for the table, and then this little bag with some stuff in there, a little Allen wrench, and then the little adapter thingy depending on what type of mic you're going to be plugging in. Ooh. All right, so it's definitely like semi-tight in here, so I'm guessing that, ooh. Okay. Why don't I just look at insert? Oh, I see. Okay, so this is where you can hide your cablage in there, and then this just sits on top. And it's got a little bit of a magnet to it. Cool. I've got to figure out which way I want things to kind of sit. I want this here, like this. Maybe here, out of the way. All right. Really easy to unwind. You slide it in there. Oh. Cool. I kind of like this. Look, out of the way, in the shot. Yeah, nothing's gonna be okay. I'm gonna go get the little stand that goes with this microphone. All right, here's that stand, the little clampy thingy that I bought last time that I didn't have use for, and now I do. So, let's see. Doesn't seem like I need this attachment right now, but I will need the Allen wrench when I decide where I want things to land. Ooh. I get excited about simple things. So let me take this microphone out. Come here, you. Look how easy this is. So I can go from this. It seems to fit right in there. Then I can screw these back in. Too bad I had chubby fingers. It makes it so much harder to do things. It's funny, I definitely know, well, I should have put this camera at a different angle, but I definitely know I'm gonna need to use that Allen wrench to tighten all the stuff. But it's cool the way they designed this to kind of hide your cablage. That's nice. All right, so this bad boy's in there. Now, since I'm at a standing desk table thing, I'm gonna put this where I'd want it, which is about here. Then, take this, and I'm assuming I just tighten it. You can tighten it up, up, up. You I'm gonna say down, down, down. Love a good Allen wrench. You know what I'm saying? All right, so then when I don't need it, go over there, please. Then when I need it, come over here, please. That's cool. All right, I didn't think I needed any more gear, but I think I needed this one. Now I should string my cablage. Just gonna place this in there, up behind here. Ready? Put it in there. Oh, bye-bye. Fancy schmancy. Take this one out. I love it. I think it's great. Let me get a closer view. All right, so we've got our little Elgato logo there. We've got the clamp on the desk. This just drops right in there. I imagine I can tighten it up there. This drops in there. The cables go right in here with like a little bit of a magnetic pull up here. And then just like that. It's awesome. Okay, so day 2 of using the Elgato arm. Love it. It's really, really great. The only criticism I have is this right here. Hold on. In the instruction manual, you know, there's some great visuals. Awesome. Love it. But there's a typo here, guys. Okay, ready? Right here. Left to loosen, right to tighten. Everyone knows it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I mean, really? Really, guys? You're not going to speak our language? Repeat. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I expected more. Elgato. All right, so this review wouldn't be complete if I didn't actually use the product. I'm using the Elgato Wave 3 mic with the little holder thingy and then the clamp thingy. And look at how easy this is to move out of the way. Ready? Come here, you. Done. And the fact that I can totally change the height of this is really awesome. Let me do that right now. Use a little wrench here. Put it all the way up here, so. Or down. It's just great. There you go. All right. 2 thumbs up. Excellent product. Really great. Great microphone. Great stand. I think I like the stand better than I like the microphone. Maybe I'm lying. I think I like them both. So I'm really excited. Love having a USB mic that I think sounds really good and is plug and play ready. I should probably tell you to like and subscribe to this channel, right? I don't know. Do it if you want to. Don't if you don't. I don't care. I care a little bit. I care a little bit, but not that much. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye. Watch. Ready. Love it.